A day in my life as a tour guide ni Abot og Anda. Alright, so for today's video guys, we have our Anda tour. So I am here now at Casa Amihan, Anda, Bohol. Alright, so nindot kayo lang resort guys. Oh. Yeah, so ang akong guess is nag-breakfast pa sila. So I'm here diri sa Bye-Bye. Nindot kayo ang ilahang lugar diri guys. Mura naman tao si Cindy diri guys. So anyways, this is our first stop. So welcome to Kadapdapan Rice Terraces. And here, haubo kaayo guys. So I'm with my guests na gusto na mo magtanom, and I let them to experience how to plant rice. Struggle is so look. It's so, oh my god. Yes, so we're planting rice now. Yay! Yeah, so that's so fun. And we are walking. Anyways, this is Bamboo Walk going to the top of the viewing area to see the panoramic view. Alright, so welcome here at the viewing area sa ato ang rice terraces. So diri nga side makita nato ang panoramic view. Nindot kayo guys. Yeah, the water buffalo is very shy. Alright, so I let my guests experience the habal-habal. Yeah, so habal-habal guys is a kind of taxi diri sa bukid. So padumi karon sa Kanumantad Waterfalls. So makaligo na sa dito guys. Yeah, finally karon makaligo. So we have 5 to 10 minutes drive padong dito sa waterfalls. So gagikan mi guys sa Eleuterio restaurant, and we need to ride a habal-habal because ang ato ang agianan, some of them are renovated or under renovation kay tungod landslide prone area siya. Welcome to Kanumantad Falls. So this is the Kanumantad Falls, and let's enjoy the beauty of this breathtaking waterfall. So by the way, this is the tallest waterfalls here in Bohol Island. Pag-out-out mo ba? Dakpanay. Apela si sir. Yeah, so nakaligo na dyan guys. I have 1 hour and 30 minutes stay here. Sweet to kayo, oy. Alright, so welcome to Kinali Public Beach, located here at Poblacion Anda, Bohol. So muna ito ang view guys karon. Nindot kaayo, o unfortunately ang ato ang tubig sa dagat is layo jud siya kaayo kay Hunas. So nindot kaayo siya guys. Ang iyahang naka-unique diri sa lugar nga Kinali is ang iyahang bunbun is kinapinuhan jud siya. Grabe ka pino. So, alright, so see you sa next destination, our last stop. Wow, lechon! Alright, and welcome here at Cabagno Cave Pool. Ayan. So, unfortunately guys, dili mi pwede makaligo diri kay close. They have this ordinance nga every Monday and Friday bawal maligo or close ang cave. So, visit lang ni, bawal maligo. Ayan. So, grabe.